In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva. Whether you're starting a new business or simply looking to refresh an old logo, Canva offers a straightforward and user-friendly platform to help bring your branding vision to life. To kick things off, open up your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, don't worry. Setting up an account is quite simple and free. This will allow you to access their wide range of design tools and features. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's homepage, which is your gateway to a world of creative possibilities. Next, take a moment to explore Canva's template library. In the search bar at the top, type Logo Templates and press Enter. This will reveal a diverse array of pre-made logo designs that can serve as inspiration or as a starting point for your own creation. Take your time to browse through these options and pay attention to styles that resonate with your brand's identity. Once you've found a logo design that catches your eye, click on it to select it. This will overlay the design onto your workspace. Don't worry if it's not perfect just yet. You have plenty of options to tweak and customize it to fit your specific needs. Now, look for the Customize this template button and give it a click. This will bring you into the editor mode. In this editor, you'll notice various elements within the template that can be modified. Start by focusing on the text. You can alter the font, size, and content to suit your brand name or slogan. To do this, simply click on the text you wish to change, and a new menu will appear, offering you different font and formatting options. Feel free to experiment here. Canva makes it easy to undo changes if you need to. Another significant aspect of your logo is the color palette. Click on the background color icon from the top menu to access a color selector. This tool gives you the flexibility to change the background to a shade that complements your brand's aesthetic. Selecting the right color can significantly impact the mood and style of your logo, so consider choosing colors that align with your brand's essence. After adjusting the background, it's time to consider the elements within the design. Select any text or graphical element in your logo, and just like the background color, you can also change their colors to match or contrast as needed. Use this opportunity to add extra details, such as changing a text color or incorporating new elements that enhance the logo's overall look. Finally, after you've made all your adjustments, take a step back and review your design. Make sure every element is placed where you want it. The colors look harmonious, and the font communicates the right tone. Remember, attention to these small details can make a big difference in the final product. By following these steps, you'll have a professional-looking logo ready to represent your brand boldly and clearly. Enjoy your designing and have fun using Canva to bring your creative vision to life.